Mahayana Buddhism is one of the major branches of Buddhism. Along with the theravada Buddhism and Vajrayana Buddhism, Mahayana Buddhism originated in India around the 1st century CE and spread to other parts of Asia, including Nepal, China, Japan, Korea, and Vietnam. One of the key teachings of Mahayana Buddhism is the idea of bodhisattva, a being who seek to attain enlightenment not only for their own benefit but also for the benefit of all sentient beings. Bodhisattvas are seen as compassionate and selfless beings who work tirelessly to help others on the path to enlightenment. Another important concept of Mahayana Buddhism is the idea of emptiness, sunyata, which refers to the notions that all phenomena are devoid of any inherent or independent existence. Instead, all phenomena are said to be interdependent and arise in dependence on other factors. Mahayana Buddhism also places a great emphasis on the importance of compassion and loving kindness. The practice of the Bodhisattva path involves cultivating these qualities as a means of benefiting all sentient beings. There are many different schools and traditions within Mahayana Buddhism, including Pure Land Buddhism, Zen Buddhism, and Tibetan Buddhism. Each of these schools has its own unique practices and teaching, but they all share a common emphasis on compassion, wisdom, and the Bodhisattva ideal. Mahayana Buddhism is characterized by a number of distinctive features and practices that distinguish it from other forms of Buddhism. The concept of the three bodies of the Buddha, the Dharmakaya, the body of truth, the Sambhogakaya, the body of bliss, and the Nirmanakaya, the physical body appear in the world. This concept is used to explain the Buddha's omniscience and omnipresence and compassionate nature. The idea of skillful means upaya. Mahayana Buddhism places great emphasis on the idea of skillful means, which refer to various methods and practices used to help others attain enlightenment. These methods may include meditations, ritual, chanting, or other techniques. The use of mantras and sutras. Mahayana Buddhism places great importance on the use of mantras, sacred words or phrases, and sutras, sacred texts. Mantras are believed to have the power to transform the mind and bring about positive change. While sutras contain the teachings of the Buddha and provide guides for practitioners, the idea of perfection of wisdom, prajnaparamita, Mahayana Buddhism places great emphasis on the development of wisdom, particularly the understandings of emptiness, sunyata, and the interconnected nature of all things. The practice of wisdom refers to ultimate realizations of this concept. The practice of devotions and faith. Will Mahayana Buddhism emphasize the importance of personal effort and insight to achieve enlightenment? It also places great value on devotions and faith. This may involve devotions to the Buddha or to Bodhisattva, or the practice of natures and others forms of worship. Mahayana Buddhism has had a profound impact on the cultures and societies which it has been practiced, and continue to be a major form of Buddhism in many parts of Asia and around the world.